Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to adjust temperature settings for your refrigerator. Open the refrigerator door so you can access the interior compartment and reach the temperature controls. Locate the temperature control panel inside the refrigerator compartment, usually along the top interior section or sidewall. Identify which control adjusts the refrigerator compartment and which control adjusts the freezer compartment before making any changes. If you see frost inside either compartment, the temperature may be too cold and should be raised slightly. Turn the appropriate control slightly toward a warmer setting if frost is building up inside the compartments. If food spoils quickly or does not feel cold enough, temperature may be too high and should be lowered slightly. Turn the correct control slightly colder, then close the door and let the temperature stabilize before adjusting again.